guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and today is our final Thanksgiving prep. So today is Thanksgiving. The only thing I find that I can't cook early is the gravy. So today we're gonna make gravy real quick.
Here's a list of ingredients you'll need to make this homemade gravy. You'll need some Gravy Master, chicken broth and chicken juices, butter, flour, and some milk.
So I have 1/4 cup of butter. I'm gonna melt that, and we're gonna add 1/4 cup of flour to that. I'm just gonna mix it up and let that melt. To that, we are going to add some of our turkey juice that we cooked yesterday. So our turkey's been warming up. Here's our turkey, you can see it. And I'm gonna put some of the juice in here. Then I'm gonna use some chicken broth as well, because I don't wanna use up all of my juice. So I need a total of 4 cups of juice. Chicken broth, juice from your turkey, whatever. So we have 4 cups here. 4 cups. And I also like to use browning and seasoning for this. Just a little to add to that. Okay, still waiting on our butter. We'll get this all mixed up. Kind of makes it a little darker, but it really gives it a good flavor. Okay, we're just gonna mix this till it's all melted. You're just making a thickening agent for your gravy. I sometimes like to add milk to it too. It gives it a little creamy gravy. I have a feeling I might have gotten too small of a pan for my gravy, but we'll find out here in a minute. I have to switch up my pan because that is not going to be big enough. Okay, let's finish melting. See? Melty. So we're just going to start adding this in slowly. And the stirring is going to be very, very thick, but we want this to be smooth and not clumpy. But if it does get clumpy, I do have a solution to that as well. Don't rush it, just get this nice and smooth before you add any more. Almost like peanut butter, and it's going to get very thick, but you want this smooth. See, I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, now we're going to add some more. Okay, for some reason it wants to be lumpy, but that's okay, it's only because I'm filming it. I do have a solution. If you have an immersion blender, this will smooth it right out for you. Shut this off because it's getting really warm, but that's perfect now. So I'm just going to add all the rest and whip it up. If it's too thin, too thick, just keep adding some more. If it's too thin, just keep boiling it till it gets to the consistency that you want. Nice and smooth. I do like to add some pepper to it. I like pepper for some reason. Another good trick to know if your gravy is ready, is to take a spoon, dip it in your gravy, and if you can see the 2 lines, that means it's thicker. Okay? So here is your gravy. I hope you try it, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Thanks, guys.